Hi everyone, I'm Deepthi. Today I'm going to talk about the Cortina polyester window curtain. This beautiful curtain is made from 100% polyester material, making it very durable and long lasting. It has a semi-transparent design which allows just the right amount of light to enter the room. The 8 anti-rust metal grommets make it very easy to install, and the 1.6-inch diameter ensures that it fits through various curtain rod sizes. The double-stitched hem adds weight to the bottom of the curtain, making it stay upright. This curtain is available in a range of beautiful colors and is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home decor. Get this and add a touch of sophistication to your home decor. It is perfect for blocking out the sun and adding a touch of style to your home.
When it comes to buying linens for your home, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best products that meet your comfort, style, and functionality needs. Linens play a significant role in enhancing the ambience and comfort of your living spaces. Here's a comprehensive buying guide to help you make the right choices. Material and fabric. Curtains. Choose curtains in materials like cotton, linen, or polyester for a soft and luxurious feel. Consider blackout curtains for better light control and thermal insulation. Sheets. Look for sheets in materials like cotton, Egyptian cotton, or bamboo for breathability and comfort. Thread count is also essential, with higher thread counts generally indicating softer sheets. Rugs and carpets. Wool, cotton, jute, and synthetic fibers like nylon are common rug materials. Wool provides warmth and durability, while cotton is soft and easy to clean. Consider the rug's pile height and density for comfort and longevity. Towels. Cotton towels are absorbent and soft, with long staple cotton offering better quality. Microfiber towels are also popular for quick drying and lightweight properties. Thread count and GSM. Thread count. Thread count refers to the number of horizontal and vertical threads per square inch of fabric. A higher thread count generally indicates a finer and soft fabric. However, extremely high thread counts may not always guarantee better quality. Single-ply fabrics are softer and more breathable than multi-ply fabrics. GSM. GSM is a measure of the fabric's weight and density. Higher GSM in towels indicates a thicker and more absorbent fabric, providing a plush and luxurious feel. Size and measurements. For curtains, measure your window dimensions carefully to ensure a proper fit. Consider the curtain's length and width based on your desired window coverage. Sheets should match the size of your mattresses, whether it's twin, queen, king, or California king. Rugs and carpets should be measured to fit your room's dimensions appropriately. Design and style. Choose linens that complement your home decor and personal taste. Consider patterns, colors, and textures that blend harmoniously with your existing interior. Functionality. Curtains. Consider the level of light control and privacy required for each room. Thermal curtains provide insulation, while sheer curtains offer a light and airy feel. Sheets. Opt for wrinkle-resistant and easy care sheets if convenience is essential to you. Rugs and carpets. Look for rugs with non-slip backing for safety, especially on hard floors. Towels. Consider the absorbency and thickness of towels based on your preferences. Cleaning and maintenance. Check the care instructions for each linen item to ensure they align with your cleaning routine and lifestyle. By considering these factors, you can choose linens that bring comfort, style, and functionality to your home, enhancing your living spaces and making them more enjoyable and inviting. Happy shopping!